Greetings everyone from the beautiful city of Tagaytay. Before sharing with you investment options, I would like to introduce Ayala Land Inc. Ayala Land is under the umbrella of one of the largest conglomerate in the country, the Ayala Corp. It has 5 subsidiaries that caters to different market segments. Avida Land, which I am proud to say I am part of, aims to make affordable dream communities a reality for middle-income Filipinos. We are currently the recognized leader and preferred provider of integrated, master-planned, and sustainable communities for middle-income Filipino families. Avida Land has been in the industry for 30 years with over 95 projects in more than 40 different locations in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Out of the 42 developments of Avida Land, one is located here in Tagaytay, Serin West Tagaytay. Serin West is Avida's first residential retreat, a destination for a well-deserved pleasure of a quiet weekend getaway. The development is situated in Cavite's most coveted vacation hotspot and is less than 5 minutes away from the Tagaytay Rotonda. It is also very near restaurants that offers various specialties, places of worship, entertainment, and leisure spots. Serin West Tagaytay is a 3-tower mid-rise residential condominium development with shared amenities. Serin West Tagaytay has sensible amenities like adult and kiddie pool. One of the pool is heated. Walkway with trellis, children's play area for the little ones. Clubhouse where you host parties and events. Garden and open spaces where you can meditate or just simply enjoy me time or alone time. Real estate investment is about location and character. Combine these 2 factors and value appreciation is sure to follow. Both the low-rise building and Tower 1 were launched in December 2012 with launch prices of 102,000 per square meter and 93,000 per square meter respectively. LRB or low-rise building and Tower 1 currently has a value of 143,000 per square meter at 40% and 54% growth values versus launch prices. Serin West Tower 2 was launched June 2013 at 97,000 per square meter launch price. Currently, it has a value of 143,000 per square, which yields a 47% growth versus launch value. Because of the success of Serin West, Avida Land launches its sequel, Serin East. Serin East is located few steps from Serin West and is just across Ayala Mall, Serin. Residents of Serin West and East usually use the Ayala Mall's diversion road to avoid the weekend traffic. Traffic is concentrated at the Rotonda and the main Tagaytay-Nasugbu Road. Serin East has a total gross land area development of 20,251 square meter with 4 towers. The first tower of Serin East was launched in July 2015 and has already been turned over to the unit owners. Tower 2 was launched October 2017 and is set to be completed Q1 of 2021. As you can see, the tower is almost complete. Tower 3, the second to the last tower, was launched July 2019 and we're offering this at a pre-selling stage. At the ground level of Serin East, you can find the amenities of the tower. And to name a few, we have adult and kiddie pool, clubhouse and function room, and lounge areas. While at the podium level, you can enjoy the lounge gazebo, garden path, and generous open spaces. For both Tower 2 and 3, typical units we're offering are studio units at approximately 23 square meter, executive studio units at approximately 31 square meter, 1-bedroom units at approximately 44 square meter, and 2-bedroom units at approximately 71 square meters. Now let me show you how you can dress up your 1-bedroom unit. Here, you can dress up your unit like a modern minimalist style. Here, we have the living area, the dining area, and the kitchen area. Now let's check the bedroom. The bedroom fits a queen-size bed, a wardrobe closet, and even a vanity area. Serin West and East are being managed by Ayala Property Management Corp, or also known as AT 𝐏𝐿, together with the CONDO Corp. They make sure that everything is in order, from the cleanliness of the property to the safety and security of its residents. They also keep their residents informed of the updates with regards to the management of the properties as well as the community. Again, this is Chloe Magnaya inviting everyone to make Serin East their second home and live every day like a vacation.